today we are in Hamptons apartment Yaba, and here with me is Mr. Yemi of Yemozil Investment.
Good.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning.
It's a
Good
pleasure.
morning.
It's a pleasure. It's always great to have Baby Properties here. She is one of our major partners in Yemozil, and I tell you for a fact that whatever Maybe is bringing to you is top notch, and she always tries to get the best deal for our clients, and you are positioned in the right experience, with the right and the experienced real estate company. So if you are with Maybe, trust me, you are home and dry. Trust me. Welcome once again to Hampton Residence.
Thank you very much for that intro. So we saw the wonderful thing you did at Meridian Apartment, which actually attracted me to this company. So partnering with you, I've seen that you actually talk and you deliver.
Thank you very much.
Okay, this is not just any project in Yaba. This is a service apartment that is going to yield you monthly and yearly rental income. So this is the best investment right now in Lagos. Everything is not land banking.
Exactly.
So right now I have investors here in Hampton Residence.
Yes.
So I came to actually look at it. When we paid for this place was like in a foundation level, right? Nothing was going on.
Yes.
Just look around you. We are standing on the first floor.
Very true.
So what's that telling you? Is that this company delivers. And not just that they deliver, your rental returns will come to you at the due time. So tell us more about this wonderful Hampton Residence.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Maybe, for that beautiful explanation. The good thing about it is, we don't talk too much, but we try as much as possible to make sure we deliver. Our core value as a company, lies on excellence, integrity, and we're basically client-centric. So over time, we've also created, some level of innovations around our properties. If you were opportune to be in Meridian Apartment, you will see what we've done and what we can do. We've done several projects even before Meridian Apartment, but what we're saying now is for you to be able to, key into the best development that is ongoing. Hampton Residence is one of the development that you should take advantage of. Now, we've seen that over time, a lot of people just invest either for ego and it doesn't bring return on investment. So we have to come up with a structure in such a way that you own your property and your property is also yielding consistent income for you without any stress, and you still also have an access to own your property. So that is why you have Hampton Residence here. Yes.
Thank you very much. This is wonderful. And there is something else that I love about this Hampton's Residence. In fact, everything about Yemozil Apartments. In their project, they have this 20 days free for you as the owner to come and live inside your house. Is that not wonderful? Okay, let's say now that you have 3 units of 2-bedroom apartments making money for you, or even studio apartments making money for you. Yes, you're getting your rental returns, but you don't actually know what your guests are experiencing. So you have 20 days in a year to come have fun with your family, come live with your friend, experience it, the water, the lights, everything, the cooks, the cleaners. This is wonderful investment, guys. And Yaba right now is not just a student hub anymore. It's a tech hub. It's where young people are. It's where the young generation are mostly here in Lagos. Well, the mainland as a whole, Yaba, Ikeja, Magodo, Bagada, and Surulere. These are very, very key strategic locations in Lagos. So I'm happy to be partnering with Yemozil Investment. So, but now you're talking to my investors, eh? It's me that they are going to be putting the fire on. So the question you're going to be hearing is, okay, when will the building be completed? When you give us the date, is it going to be completed on that date?
Fantastic. So the one thing we try to do is, we under promise and we over deliver. Now, it's when it comes to construction, you face several, stages. I can bet you about a month ago, we were just digging this area and, you can see what we have here. That's a testament to our speed. But what we try to do is we under promise and over deliver. This project is set to be delivered Q3 of next year. But I can bet you before Q3 of next year, this place will be totally ready. So you can just imagine in a month, we're already on the first floor. By the time you be coming here next week, precisely tomorrow, this place is going to be casted. So it means the first floor is totally ready. So before the end of this year, I can assure you all our frames will be standing. So, and that is the major reason why we have to, give an extra date and, over deliver. So we are working backwards to make sure we meet up with the timing that we, set for ourselves. Not the time we give to our clients, because the time we give to our clients is even an extra time. You understand? So, but what we try to do, as I said earlier, is on the promise and over deliver. But I can assure you, by Q3 next year, a lot of people are going to be doing their December break in this property by God's grace.
Amen. Amen to that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you can hear it for yourself. You can trust this partnership.
Yes.
It's not every developer in Lagos that know what they are doing. I'm telling you, not just as an investor myself, but also as a realtor. A lot of us face these challenges. We don't know who to trust. We don't know who to believe. But I'm telling you right now that this company knows what they are doing. The Meridian Apartment is one of their projects. They have so many projects before that. But I mean, when I met them was during the Meridian time. And I'm happy to say that I'm happy to have investors here. And I know that more investors will come, seeing this video too. So all you need to do right now is call the number on your screen so you can inquire more about projects like this. Not just only this particular project. So many projects in Lagos. When it comes to service apartment investment, don't dull in it. So this is 2025, 2026, and people are making money from it.
Very true.
Okay, just tell us something here. Like some of the investors that you have, like how much do they make every month? Okay. And what's the highest number of rooms you have in your?
So currently, we are investors currently, depending on the range of what they buy. If you own a studio apartment, you're guaranteed of at least 350 to 400 every month, guaranteed income. You understand? And if you own a one bed, you are guaranteed 6 million monthly. So you can just imagine that amount of money coming into your account comfortably and consistently every month, and you still own the property. Now the catch is this, just as you rightly mentioned, you also have the luxury of enjoying your property even within the year. You understand? Because a lot of people, sell it out throughout the year, but we try to also make sure the owners of the properties also get to, have a taste, a feel of the pool, a feel of the amenities, a feel of the environment, a feel of the constant electricity that that their property also, produces. So that's it.
Okay. This is wonderful. Okay. I know you watching this thing right now. You are looking at doing land banking, or you are even used to land banking. But I'm telling you, if you don't have any commercial investment that is actually making you money, either yearly or monthly, then you're missing out. These are the kind of investment that pay for your lifestyle, that pay for your school fees and every other thing, and the monthly vacation and the yearly vacations. So this is a wonderful buy. All you need to do is call the number on your screen, give us a call, or you can chat us up, or you can even go to our website and reach us out. It's right there on your screen. Thank you so much, and thank you, Mr.
Thank you very much.
Yumi.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Until next time, see you.